Hey everyone, Jeremy with Thunder Creek. Today I want to just go over this compressor generator with you. This is a slick unit that can fit in the back of your pickup truck, back of your service truck, or and it will even fit into your Thunder Creek utility box. That's even an ADT or our new FSTs and MTTs and even the SLTs. This will all fit in there. This is our two-stage cast iron compressor. It's going to do 15.7 CFMs at 150 PSI. This compressor feeds into two 5-gallon tanks for your storage. And here in the front, you've got your dial to dial down your air pressure if you run in two different lines out. The unit is a combination unit, so it's also got a generator built into it. The generator's got two 110 outlets and a 230 for you, so when you're out there needing that extra power, it's already built in for you. This whole thing is ran off of this 13 horsepower 420 cc gas-powered engine with the electric start. Still have the backup for a pull with your pull string. If you guys have any questions, give us a shout or check it out at thundercreek.com. Have a great day.